What if you could reduce the total cost by minimizing motor replacement time? Are you frustrated with the time it takes to replace motors on your integral gear motor? Some integral gear motor designs utilize specialized motors that also serve as the housing cover. Replacement of this motor first requires draining the oil. The motor can then be removed, exposing the internal components. The gearbox housing must then be cleaned carefully. If the new motor does not have the pinion mounted, a new pinion must be mounted, or the pinion must be removed from the old motor and mounted onto the new motor. The motor can then be remounted. The gearbox then must be refilled with oil. Regal offers a complete line of speed reducers, C-face motors, and gear motors with various motor mounting options that reduce the time needed to replace the motor. The Hub City Harris speed reducer is shown with C-face quill input mounting option. Removal of this motor is accomplished by simply removing the 4 mounting bolts and sliding the motor away from the gearbox. Reinstallation is also simple and requires installing key, sliding the motor into place, then reinstalling the 4 mounting bolts. The Grove Ironman speed reducer is shown with C-face coupled mounting option. Removal of the motor is accomplished by simply removing the 4 mounting bolts and sliding the motor away from the gearbox. Reinstallation is also simple and requires installing coupling hubs, sliding the motor into place, then reinstalling the 4 mounting bolts. The Browning Series 3000 integral gear motor is shown. Removal of the motor is accomplished by simply removing the 4 mounting bolts and sliding the stator away from the gearbox. The motor is then removed by removing the center bolt and removing the rotor shaft. Note the Browning gear motor design allows motor removal without draining the oil or opening the gearbox housing. Reinstallation is also simple and requires installing the center bolt and 4 stator mounting bolts. The Regal motor interface designs bring true value to the customer, saving approximately 30 minutes per installation. Most of the maintenance departments would have around 50 to 100 spare motors for critical machinery. This number depends on the plant, the history of motor failures, and very importantly, how fast the plant can get a replacement motor. Let's say you have 100 motor failures per year. Multiply that by the time savings per motor replacement, and then multiply that by the hourly labor rate to repair it. This is the savings to your maintenance budget. Are there any other savings in addition to the install time? Let's consider the real downtime of cost. The motor is not in stock in a plant. Consider the install time plus the time to order a replacement, the cost of an expedited order, and the cost and time associated with the expedited order. Some of our competitors are selling only from their inventory. You could find yourself waiting 2 to 3 days for a motor. Because of our distribution network, in many cases you could have a replacement motor within 24 hours. Regal has the expertise, solutions, and service capabilities to help provide the best possible outcome for your operation. With our gap walk process, industry specialists, we can help you improve your situation and lower your total cost of ownership.